So, we are back on our horse. Now we will go to Bird Valley. It is famous for their birds and for the beautiful nature. Like 1 month ago, I started my journey in Thailand, and so far I absolutely love the backpacking life. It is a crazy feeling of freedom, and even I'm traveling alone, I'm never lonely. Like, there are so many things to discover. You meet so many people. You see places you have never imagined to see. And so I think it was like one of the best choices I ever made in my life. Xin chào. Next time I get this one. Woo! I really think it could be a cool place to live here. Like, imagine you have a house like this, and they are not that expensive here. It costs you maybe 50,000 euros. So it's a little bit far away from everything, but I mean, you are living in the dream here, in a paradise, you know. And here are new hotels, and look at this. Wow, it's unbelievable. So this is the entrance, and you have to buy here to get in the Bird Valley. You have to buy a ticket. It costs 150k. It is 6 euros. It is expensive, but yeah, it's a must-do here. Let's see if it's worth it. We have to get super far. To walk, it's 30 minutes, and it is uphill. So I don't know if I will survive this, but yeah, let's try it. The other way will be better. Oh man, holy shit. The first destination is a cave, better called Vai Gioi Cave, and it is up there. So let's park our bike here, hope that it doesn't get stolen, because then my passport is fucked, because I gave it to the seller, which wasn't a good idea. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the cave. It is pretty early in the morning, so more of this. We got everything for our own, and I would recommend you to do the same, to come early, at 10 a.m. right now. And here's nobody. Maybe because it's so expensive, but I think more because it's so early. And also, you won't believe it, but it's definitely more not as hot as at midday. At midday you can't do it. Oh man, there is no wind. It is crazy. It's so hot. But I mean, I wanted an adventure. Yeah, I get it. So no complaining. I'm dripping sweat. Guys, it is so high. And now I know you're laughing. I'm 23, I should do it, but I'm more or less sporty and I like to hike, but when it's like 35 degrees and it's so hot, it's no joke. Holy shit. Yo, it's no joke. It's so far. I'm like 10 minutes going upstairs. Look at me. What the fuck? So look guys, how far we already are. Holy shit. Let's keep going. There are like ants everywhere. They sting you. And you have to be a little bit careful for like huge wasps. Like wasps that are flying around here. But I think, what? There was one. Don't know like if you heard it. But I think we are here. Holy shit. So this is it. Oh fuck. There's it. Look at this view. Wow. It's unbelievable. Woo! We did it. Okay. Let's check out the cave. Oh, more steps. Oh no. But wow, check it out. It's like we're totally alone. Wow. Check it out. So there's an earth floor, a paradise floor. It looks nice, paradise floor. Let's go. Check it out. It is huge. Wow. So let's get upstairs. It's like quite small here. Holy shit. Man, I have to hold me. Don't fall. Look at this, guys. Holy shit. Ah, fuck. My back. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Yo, bastard. Holy shit. Like this. Okay, wow. So can we go more upstairs? Yo, when I will like fall down here. Fucked, okay. There's like more. Holy shit. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. Check it out. Let's go upstairs. Wow. Holy shit. Okay. That's the paradise floor. Okay. Nice Buddha. Wow. Wow. Check it out, guys. Wow. Okay. Check out this crazy view. Wow. Holy shit. Unbelievable. It's worth it. I think it was worth it. Like always, I have the right equipment. Yo guys, look at this. Sweating so much, never sweat this much. It's like I'm out of the gym or something. Guys, there was like a huge wasp. Holy shit, like a cave wasp. Like I thought it would like be a car or something. It was and it came to me. Holy shit, I was screaming. Fuck. Okay, let's go down. Like to drink something. And like to keep on, you really have to be focused going down here, because when you slip, you can imagine with these shoes, it's pretty easy to slip. You're fucked. And like you have like blood or something, and then like good luck to get in the next hospital. So really careful to not slip. So guys, I'm so happy to do everything like this. So I'm complaining sometimes that it's too hot and I'm sweating so much. If you want to support me a little bit, down in the description there is a support link, a PayPal link for like when you want to donate something and like to support me, to help to keep going this project and to travel around the world. Bloody hell. So guys, we did it. Holy shit. So guys, we did it. The hell ride to the cave. So if you are wondering, we are here. So it's the second destination of 24. I have to do like a little break. Like I don't feel very good. I'm like a little bit sick feeling because it was so crazy. Holy shit, a spider! But what a spider! What the fuck? Holy shit, you see it? It's jumping around, dude! What the fuck? It's huge! But let's get away. Dude, he's no way, no time to relax. What the fuck? It's huge! What the fuck? There's, it's moving. Look at this. Ah, fucking hell. Wait! Okay, well, it's a butterfly. Holy shit, I thought it was a... Look at this, man. Holy shit. Okay, I guess it's not the right place to relax here. It's so this... What the fuck came out of here? Holy shit, it's moving. Look. Look, guys. What the fuck? It's huge. It's like this size. Fucking hell. Okay, let's keep going. I think up there you can like drive the bicycle. I need some wind. It is a huge spider. Holy shit. Yo, this spider, it would bite me or like climb on me, I would pass out. I would pass out. I say it to you. Like it was no joke. It was like running onto me, like in my direction. It was like I could hear the spider walking. So big it was. Fucking hell. Like I guess in Vietnam there's no place to relax. There are all kind of wasps around here. I got attacked, man. But at least it's like a place to finally drive and get some wind. Holy shit. But like my brakes are not working. Look at my brakes. When I brake, the noise. Yeah, so like this is not working, this is a little bit working. So to be super careful here that I don't like fuck up. Holy shit, because it's, yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, wow, but look at this view, guys. What? Barely holding. Fuck. Okay. Check up. Yo, this bike is like a good bike. It's like not good in quality, but good like in holding, like in surviving. Look at this. Hope there's no spider or snake or something. Look at this. Look at this view. Holy shit. And there's a bird. Wow. You see it? The white one? It's far away. Wow. So guys, this is full brake. This is max brake. Look. This is like the maximum of brake. Holy shit. Yeah. Nice. At least I get some wind here. Oh, fuck. I fucked up. Holy shit. Or my shoe. Fuck. Holy shit. Okay, let's keep going. What an adventure here in Ninh Binh. Woo! So we got there to a checkpoint. They wanted to see my ticket. Now we are here. Look at this place. It's absolutely beautiful. Imagine you can rent a room here or something, or eat something. Look at this. So beautiful. I will do some pictures. So, guys, I got myself coconut water to get hydrated. I'm still like not feeling that well. It's so hot, and here's nobody. Maybe because they all come in the evening when it's more like not that hot anymore or something. I don't know. I will like now enjoy the view and we'll look. Also, like sometimes it looks a little bit hard and like I'm fucked, like because it's so like yeah, so hot and everything. I'm super thankful and I feel so much alive, and yeah, it's like better to than like to sit on the couch and look Netflix all day. This is life, guys. This is life. Like you have to travel more. It's so nice. If you have the money, then try to travel. Holy shit! Ugh. It gets a little bit off-roady now. Like one thing I have to say, like I didn't saw like one bird. Yeah, one bird in the beginning, but like the name called Bird Valley. Here are all kind of bird symbols everywhere. I don't know. But holy shit, my bike is dying. Yeah, let's keep going. So, all the birds are away now. Yo guys, we made it to the next cave. And there's some water inside. I don't think like you can, maybe you can swim inside, but I will hold my feet in there. Oh, it's so relaxing, it's so cold. Oh, there's the right way. Holy shit. Let's keep going. Let's search. Guys. Look at this. Holy shit. What the fuck is going on here? Wow. Check it out, guys. There's dripping water everywhere. Oh. You really have to say it is absolutely beautiful here. Never seen something like this. Wow. I was walking around here and I saw a caterpillar. Look at this. I don't know if it will focus when this like stings you. you're fucked. So you have to be really careful where you are walking. So check it out. Now we are entering the birds garden. We parked our bicycle, and because it's no way to go here with the bicycle. No, let's see. I think it's behind. There were so many birds already. I saw it. I saw it there. I don't know if you can see it. I will zoom in. Oh fuck. Quality isn't good. There are all the birds. Wow. Check it out. Wow. Beautiful. Look at these. So guys, this was it. I will try now to go back to my bicycle and to head home. I will need apparently like probably 1 hour or something to go home. There's a couple of more to see, but I'm like exhausted. Yeah, I will jump in the pool, get like a little nap, and then I will see.